How to find nearby Wells Fargo ATMs using the application. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can find nearby Wells Fargo ATMs using the application. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. For that, first of all, you have to launch the application in your mobile device. Make sure that you're signed in. Now from your home screen, navigate to the bottom right, tap on the menu icon. Now once you land on next interface, you have to search an option as ATMs and Locations. Sometimes it might be labeled as Find ATM or Branch. The application will use your current location to show nearby branches and ATMs. For that, make sure that you have allowed access to the location for the application. Now once you land on the map, you have to browse through the interactive maps or list of results. You may also have an option to filter by type, so make sure to use that options as well. Then you have to tap on a location pin to see the address, hours, services, and directions as well. So with the help of the application, you could simply search for the nearby ATMs and locations. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.